Joyce from BBC Good Food, and I'm going to help you make your Christmas even more magical by showing you how to make a homemade cream liqueur plus the non-alcoholic version. The alcohol version will keep in the fridge for about 2 weeks and it makes a really lovely last minute gift. And the non-alcoholic one is a really quick and easy thing that you can whip up after dinner and makes about 4 servings. Let's get started. There you go, how to make your own homemade Irish cream liqueur, which is great as a present, and the alcohol-free version. You can find the recipes for these on the BBC Good Food website, along with stacks of delicious festive dishes and drinks. Cheers!